If your stock decreased, we call it as issue. If your stock increased, we call it as it is a receipt. If it is kg, we should use kg. If it is unit, you should use unit. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturer in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 12 of your topic material. Material, almost we are in the end of the session. We are doing the topic called your LIFO method, and there is a last problem on your LIFO as well as FIFO. In today's session, we will work out a problem with adjustment. You have done problem with shortage, but we never did problem with excess. So today's session, we will work out shortage as well as excess together. So agenda is very simple. We will do a problem. Along with problem, we will understand the concept also. Now, so this will be your question, problem number 4. Now, problem number 4 in the sense, in the LIFO, we are doing problem number 4. Now, from the following information, prepare store ledger account as per LIFO method. Now, from the following information, prepare store ledger account from the following information. Now, account as per LIFO method, in this, all the information is for 2010. All the information for 2010. Now, so these are the informations given. In this, opening stock 400 units at rupees 6, purchases 200 at rupees 6.6. Again, these are purchases and these are issue, again issue of 100 units. So all the 3 purchases, almost we have 5 issues. Now, but we have to go according to date. See, January 1st we have, next we have to go to January 3rd, then January 4th, January 8th, 10th, 15th, 22nd, 27th, 29th. In between, on 20th, we have goods returned to stores. Now, very simple. You have issued goods. It has returned, means your stock increased. Remember, we have to consider as receipt. Now, if your stock decreased, we call it as issue. If your stock increased, we call it as it is a receipt. Now, 20th Jan, returned to stores 50 units. 50 units are returned, means we have received back. Never take it as shortage. Returned means it is excess. Now, stock verification revealed a shortage of 30 units. Later, there is a shortage of 30. We have to do excess also. We are supposed to do shortage. Both we are supposed to do. Now, as per this, we have to prepare LIFO method. Now, I'll go for that. Now, store ledger account, LIFO, name of the material, bill number as well as code. As I told you, even though these columns are, rows are blank, we are supposed to write. It is compulsory. Along with this, minimum level, maximum level and reorder or ordering level. In between, store ledger account, below that LIFO method. Clear? Yes. Now, we will start. So it is 2010. As per this, January 1st, opening stock 400 units. January 1st. So, date column, it is not visible to you because there is no space, but rest of the things, it can be seen. Now, January 1st, Opening stock 400 units at rupees 6. Now, opening stock always comes under balance column. In this, 400 at rupees 6 each. So, how much it is? 6 fours are, so it will be 24. So, it will be 2400. So, this is called as opening balance. What is next? January 4th. January 1st over January 4th. Before January 4th, we have January 3rd. Remember, dates are very important. Once you do January 4th, again you cannot come back to January 3. You have to scratch. Again, you have to start from January 1st. Remember, this is very important. You have to check your adjustment also. One adjustment on January 20th, one more adjustment on January 31st. Whenever we go like 15th Jan, we should go for 20th Jan. So dates are very important. Now, January 3rd, we have to go. Later, we can come back for January 4th. Now, January 3rd, there is a issue of 300 units. I'll go back. Out of 400, we can issue 300. January 3rd. So, out of 400, I have taken 300. What is the value? 6. It is 1800. Out of 400, I have used 300. What is the balance? 100. Value 6. It is 600. Any doubt up to this? No doubt. Now, so we have completed this. I'll go for the next one. January 4th, we have purchased 200 at rupees 6.60. I'll come back. January 4th. Number of unit 200 at rupees 6.60. So it is 200 at the value of 6.60. So how much you will get in this? 200 multiplied with 6.6, you will get 1320. 1320. So you have written this. Now, before we copy, what we should do? We should copy the old one. Old one is how much? 100 multiplied with 6, it is 600. After copying old one, now we have to add the present unit. Now, it is how much? 200 at 6.60 at 1320. Now, this is done. Any purchases or receipt, always remember we have to copy the old one. Later, the present one we should fix or add. Now, January 4th we completed. We'll go for the next. So, after January 4th, it is January 8th. Is there anything after 4th like 5, 6, 7? No. In the question, see, check. So, after 4th, we don't have 5, we don't have 6, and we don't have 7. Directly, we can go for 8. Now, on 8th, there is an issue of 200 units. Now, I'll go back to this. On January 8th, so how much we issued? 200. Now, we have two boxes here. Again, I'll go back. January 8th, we are issuing 200. Now, we have two boxes. Which one we are supposed to use? We are supposed to use the second box. Now, in this 200 at rupees 6.60, the value 1320. What is the balance? This one you have used. Now balance is 100 into 6 into 600. Any doubt? No doubt. Now, In this, on January 8th is over. Now, January 8th is over. Next is what? January 10th. Now, you close this. No need to close. Why? Because the next one is purchase. So, we can write directly. So, this line not required. We can do directly. Now, after January 8th, we have Jan 10th. There is a purchase of 300 at 7.20. January 10th. January 10th. Now, January 10th, purchase of 300 at 7.20. So, 300 7.20. So multiply this 300 multiplied with 7.20. So the answer is 2160. Now, if you calculate, the same thing will be copied and pasted. So it is 300 and 7.20. The value is 2160. Any doubt up to this? Hopefully there is no doubt. So almost we completed till January 10th. We'll go further. After January 10th, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. So after January 10th, which one we should consider? You can only tell me now. After January 10th, do we have 11th? No. 12th? No. 13th? No. 14th? No. 15th? Yes. We have Jan 15th. What is that? Issue of 250 units. So, Jan 15th, we have issue of 250 units. We'll take another sheet. Jan 15th. How much issued? 250 issued. How much we have? 2 boxes. Which box we should use? LIFO means last box. Out of 300, we can use 250. What is the value? 7.20. 250, 7.20. We'll see how much it is. So, 250 multiplied with 7.20, it is 1800. Now, so it is 1800. We'll go to balance column. Now, the balance column, it is very simple. The old 100 we have not used only. Copy, paste. 100 into 6, 600. Now, in this, the new balance, out of 300, how much you have used? 250. What is the balance? Only 50. What is the value? The value we have 7.20. So how much you will get? Now 50 multiplied with 7.20, you will get 3,360. So 50 multiplied with 7.20, you will get 360. How come you got 50? Always remember, I'll write down there. So this is 300 minus 250. So like that, you got that value. Now, this is done. Now we'll go for the next one. So which date we completed? January 15th. Now, in the question, do you find January 16th? No. January 17th? No. January 18th? No. January 20th? Yes, we have January 20th. Jan 20th, there is a return to store 50 units. How many units? 50. Now, in the bracket, issued on 8th. Always remember, return means you have received back. Return means you have received back. How much you have received back? 50. Now, So on when it was issued, it was, I'll give you a simple example. On 8th, I have given this unit, but now you are giving me back. Why? Because they might be damaged, they might be excess, or they might be, maybe it did not meet your requirement. Then what you will do? You will return that particular goods. That is called as returned the units. Hope you understood. Now 50, go back to 8th. Where is the 8th here? Here we have 8th. Here we have 8th. I'll go back to that. So when is 8th? 8th. See, on 8th, what is the value? 200. On 8th, as per the adjustment, it was issued on when? 8th. On 8th, the value was 6.60. That's why we should consider 6.60 only. Now, what is the unit? The number of units are 50 when it is on January 20th. January 20th, it is 50. Value, it is 6.60. How come you got 6.60? Remember, I'll write on here. So, 8th Jan. So, we have considered 8th Jan value. I'll go back to your work. Same color I have used. That's why we have used 6.60. Now, in the question, they have mentioned that issued on 3rd January. Then we should consider which? 6 rupee. So, what date they have issued? That price we have to consider. Now, in this, 50 into 6.60. 50 into 6.60, you will get 330. So we will add, copy the word one, 100 into 6, 600, 50, 7.20, 360, and the returned, how much? 50 and 6.60, and the answer is 330. Now, so this is all about your adjustment number 1. We have 2 adjustments. Out of 2, we have completed 1. So, January 20th, we have completed. Now, we'll go for the next one. After January 20th, do we have January 21st in the question? No. Do we have January 22nd? Yes. You have January 22nd. Purchases 540 units at 7.5. January 22nd, 540 into 7.5. January 22nd. How many entries we have? Still we have almost 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we'll go for January 22nd, 540. January 22nd. So, how much? 540 at 7.5. 540 at 7.5. We'll calculate this in this 540 multiplied with 7.5. You will get 4050. How much? 4050. Now, in this, you have to copy in the last balance column 100 into 6, 600. 50, 7.20, 360. 50, 6.60, 330. And the new balance, it is 540 multiplied with 7.50 and 4050. Remember, all the old balances you should copy first. Once you copied, later you can go for your new purchase of 540 at rupees 7.5. Any doubt? No doubt. Now, this is done. Again, I'll go back. Now, Jan 22nd is done. Now, once you're done with Jan 22nd, we have Jan 23rd. Do you have Jan 23rd? No. Jan 24th? No. Jan 25th? No. Jan 26th? No. Jan 27th? Yes. How much? 350 units. I'll go for that. Jan 27th. How many units? 350. Your quantity 350. What is the value? You have box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. Which box you should go? LE4 means last box. You should go for 540. Now, what is the value for that? 7.50. So, we have 540. We need only 350. Now, 350 multiplied with 7.50, your answer 2625. 2625. This we have taken 7.50. Now, the closing balance we should write. So, do we used this first box? No. What we should do? We should copy and paste. 100 into 6, 600. Next, 50 into 7.2, 360. Next, 50 into 6.6, it is 330. Now, your last one, out of 540, how much you have used? You have used around 350. Remember, in this 540 minus 350, you have used 350. So, how much you will get? You will get around 190. Almost 4, 5. Yes. Now, what is the value? The value is 7.5. 7.5 per kg. In the question, they have given per unit. So, we have to calculate everything per unit. So, whatever calculation we have done, wherever I have written kg, replace it with unit. Why? Because the question is talking about units, not kg. So, we should consider units. Now, everywhere, wherever I have the word kg, make it as units. Clear? Now, so if you multiply, how much you will get? So, 540 minus 350, you will get 190 multiplied with 7.5. So, the answer is 1425. 1425. 1425 is your answer. Now, we done up to Jan 27th. Now, so we'll go back. After Jan 27th, do we have Jan 28th? No. Do we have Jan 29? Yes. We have Jan 29. So, what is the unit? The unit, it is done 350. Now, we are working with 100. Now, Jan 29, 100. In this, Jan 29, how many units? Now, you have box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. Which one we should use? Under LE4 method, we should go for the last box. Now, as per this, we should use only 100. So, what is the value? 7.5. How much it is? 750. Now, we will write the remaining. So, have we used this one? No. This will be same 100, 6 and 600. Do we use this one? No. 50, 7.20, so 360. Have we used? No. 50, 6.60, 330. Now, out of 190, we have used 100. What is the balance? 90. So, it will be 7.50. So, we'll see how much it is. 90 multiplied with 7.50, it is 675. Yes. So up to this we have completed. How come you got 90? I'll show you the working note. So it is 190 minus 100. So this is a working note. So I am writing there itself so that you should not scratch your head. How come we got 90? Now, once if it is done, we'll go for the last one. Now, after Jan 29th, do we have Jan 30th? In the table, we don't have, but in the adjustment, we have. Now, on Jan 30th, we don't have, but Jan 31st, we have adjustment. Now, Jan 31st stock verification revealed a shortage of 30. Shortage of 30. Easy to calculate. I'll go back to that. Now, Jan 31st, how much there is a shortage? Shortage we call it as issue. Now 30, what is the value? 7.50, because we are using the last box. 30 multiplied with 7.50, so answer is 225. Now we'll write the balance. Now old as it is 600, 50, 7.2, 360, then 50, 6.60, so it is 330, and the last one it is 60 and 7.50. How come it is 60? I'll show you the working note. So it is 90 minus 30. So like this, you got 60. Now, what is your answer? The answer is 60 multiplied with 7.5. You got 450. Now, what is your value of closing stock? Very simple. Add everything. 600 plus 360 plus 330 plus 450. The total is 1740. So, I'll write it in other color. 1740. So this is your answer. I write it here 1740. Now everything you should change it as unit. So this also unit. So this also unit. If it is kg, we should use kg. If it is unit, you should use unit. Similarly, here also the kg has to be replaced with unit, kg has to be replaced with unit, and kg has to be replaced with unit. So this is all about your today's session. So we have completed your complete LIFO as well as FIFO. I'll go back to all these slides so that you can go through. So this is your problem number 4. The solution, first part, solution, second part, solution, third part, as well as final. Yeah, this is all about your today's session. I tried my best to make you to understand what is LIFO and what is FIFO. We're done with your LIFO, FIFO. The last topic will be your ABC analysis. As I told you, ABC analysis, you will not get any problem in examination. For the safer side, we'll have 1 or 2 problems on ABC analysis. Thank you.